Hello everyone, welcome to My Life is Mathland. Today we will discuss about inverse function f inverse. The concept formula f of f inverse of x is equal to x. It is mostly useful in the calculus part. A frequency JE of advanced tricks is to find the derivative of inverse function without actual finding inverse function itself. By differentiation formula above using chain rule, we get f inverse of f dash x of x is equal to 1 by f dash of f inverse of x. Move to the example problem. Let f of x is equal to x cube plus x plus 1. Find the value of f inverse of x at x is equal to 3. The solution. So many students they did the mistake y is equal to x cube plus x plus 1 instead of x is equal to y cube plus y plus 1. It is a wrong way. It is useful to find the domain in the quadratic polynomial only. Let's start with identity. The identity is f of f inverse of x is equal to x. Differentiate on both sides. With respect to the x, f dash of f inverse of x into d by dx of f inverse of x is equal to 1. After transposing d by dx of f inverse of x is equal to 1 by f dash of f inverse of x. We need to evaluate this at x is equal to 3. So we need to f inverse of 3. Let f inverse of 3 is equal to a, which means f of a is equal to 3. So a cube plus a plus 1 is equal to 3. A cube plus, if you take a is equal to 1, it will be satisfied. So now f dash of x is equal to d by dx of x cube plus x plus 1. There is equal to x square plus 1. So f of x is equal to 3. There is equal to x is equal to 1. F of 1 is equal to 3. So 1 is equal to f inverse of 3. And replace x as a 3. Now equation we get d by dx of f inverse of 3 is equal to 1 by f dash of f inverse of 3. There is equal to 1 by f dash of f inverse 3 means 1. So f dash of 1 equal to 3 into 1 plus 1. There is equal to 1 by 4. So our conclusion is d by dx of f inverse of 3 is equal to 1 by 4. Now let's move the functional equations. First equation, Cauchy's equation. The equation f of x plus y is equal to f of x plus f of y. Standard result. It is a functional condition are differentiable. Then f of x is equal to kx, where k is constant. Example problem. Continues satisfy the f of x plus y is equal to f of x plus f of y for all real values equal to 5. Value of sigma n is equal to 1 to 10 f of n. Solution. F of x is equal to kx. 1 is equal to k into 1. There is equal to k is equal to 5. So the equation is f of x is equal to 5x. Sigma n is equal to 1 to 10. 5n is equal to 5 into sigma n is equal to 1 to 10. So the sum of n terms n into n plus 1 by 2. So 10 into 11 by 2 there is equal to 5 into 55. There is equal to 125 and 275. Equation is 275. Exponential functional equation. F of x plus y is equal to f of x into f of y. Standard result. F of x is equal to a power x. where f of x is not a identical and a 0. F of x is equal to a power x. Example problem. The differentiable function satisfy f of x plus y is equal to f of x into f of y for all x comma y belongs to R. F of 5 is equal to 2 and f dash of 0 is equal to 3. Find the value of f dash of 5. Solution. F of x plus y is equal to f of x into f of y. Differentiate with respect to x and y is constant. F dash of x plus y is equal to f dash of x into f of y, where f of y is a constant and here y is a constant. Replace the values x is equal to 0, y is equal to 5. So the equation is f 0 plus 5 is equal to f dash of 0 into f of 5. So f dash of 5 is equal to f dash of 0 into f of 5. F dash of 5 is equal to f dash of 0, it is given 3, and f of 5 it is given 2. So I will submit it. There is got f dash of 5 is equal to 6. So the solution is, the conclusion is f dash of 5 is equal to 6. Thank you for watching. Next videos we will continue to the logarithmic functional equation, power functional equation, the polynomial reciprocal equation. Please subscribe, don't forget.